Here are some select problems from the Unit 4 review. We'll start with number 9. We're given 2 points on the line, and this method would work for any of the problems 5, 6, 7, or 8 as well. So we'll first label the coordinates x1, y1, and x2, y2. And then we'll use the slope formula to find the slope. So I substitute the values. 11 minus 3 over 5 minus 7. So subtracting, I get 8 over negative 2, which is negative 4. So, excuse me. So to finish off the problem, we'll put it into point slope form. Okay, you'll be given both the slope and point slope form. Excuse me. So we get y. Now notice I have 2 points here. I'm just going to pick this one. So we get y minus 3 equals negative 4 times x minus 7. Then to solve for y, I first need to use the distributive property over here. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Since I have negative 4 and a negative 7, I get positive 28. Add 3 to both sides. Y equals negative 4x plus 31. Okay, we'll do something similar for number 10. We'll first find the slope. Negative 1 minus negative 6 on the top, and negative 6 minus 4 on the bottom. Be careful with these subtractions because I've found that a lot of students make mistakes here. So go ahead and type it in the calculator as you see it, one part of the fraction at a time. Don't try to divide them at the same time. So we get 5 over negative 10, which is negative 1/2. Point slope form. So y minus y1, that's going to be in y plus 6 equals negative 1/2 times x minus 4. We get negative 1/2 x plus 2. Y equals negative 1/2 x minus 4. Okay, for number 13, I just wanted 3 equations. There's infinitely many. Here's the point on the line, and you just need to pick a slope. Find the equation. Pick a different slope. Find the equation. Pick a third slope, and find the equation. So I'm just going to pick a slope of 5, just to show you the process. So I get y minus 7 equals 5 times x plus 2. Get 5x plus 10. I'll move that up here. And I get y equals 5x plus 17. So you pick another slope and do the same process. So for the last problem, we had a story problem in which we were given 2 points. After 5 days, 143 cookies. After 9 days, he had 91 cookies. So when I want to find the slope, I can use any of the methods that I've shown you. I know the change in y here is going down 52 cookies, and here it's going up 4 days. So the change in y over the change in x is negative 13. So the negative 13 is the rate of change in this problem. So what it means is how many cookies he's eating per day. So I'm going to pick a point, and I'm going to write it into point slope form. I'm sorry, messed up there. Okay, so after using the distributive property, I would add 143 to both sides. Y equals negative 13x plus 208. So if I plug 0 in for x, I see that he had 208 cookies to begin with. And then the next question is, on what day would he run out of cookies? Well, that's when y is equal to 0. And so I solve it. Divide both sides by negative 13. So, day 16.